Okay, so if you're in that I just need my life to feel organized again season, this is one of those simple wins. I grabbed this 6 pack of 2-inch 3-ring binders to get my office under control, and it instantly made everything feel calmer. So here's what I'm using them for: one for household receipts and warranties, one for medical bills and insurance papers, one for recipes, because yes, I'm still old school and I love a printed recipe, and one for our dog health and vet records, one for our taxes and donation receipts, and one for home projects, paint colors, measurements, all the random notes I never want to lose again. Each binder holds up to 450 sheets, and it has 2 inside pockets, perfect for loose papers you haven't hole punched yet. The round metal O-rings feel sturdy, so your pages stay lined up and it doesn't feel flimsy even when it's full. Quick tip: label the spine and keep the binder standing upright like books. You'll actually use your system instead of avoiding it. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.